Hello, hi, and I believe you are fine. Welcome to this channel today to learn how to find the total resistance. And there is some formula, there is only two formulas and which we can use to find what the total resistance. And as you see here, formula means to find the total in series, total resistance in series. Just to find the resistance in a series. How you can find the total resistance in a series? Just like now have this total resistance is equal to resistance 1 plus resistance 2 plus resistance 3 plus another resistance means to the nth resistance. Also there we have how to find the total resistance in parallel. In the parallel, we have the formulas just like this. To find the resistance in the parallel is equal to 1 over total resistance is equal to 1 over resistance 1 plus 1 over resistance 2 plus 1 over resistance 3 and plus another resistance. If there is means plus 1 over the resistance net. It means the next resistance if there is. We speak about the resistance 1, 2, and 3. Why we speak about 1, 2, and 3? But this is an example. If there is more than 3 resistance, we can say plus 1 over total resistance 3 here means, or this dottage, this means another. If there is another, we have to write that. So this is why you can ask me, why you speak, what is the R total? R total represent what? This, the word R total, the meaning of this and meaning of this and this and this up to meaning of this means what? Here, you're supposed to look about this. Total resistance means R total means that the total resistance, and here we have another thing known as what? The resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3. All of this means what? Means the numbers of resistance, means that represent numbers of this one, and this one represent the numbers of what? Resistance. And there is a RNet means the next what? Resistance, means another resistance if there is. That's why we finish with this. You see this what? Next resistance. These are two formulas which can help you to solve some questions as following. Okay, now let us look about how to find the total resistance in the parallel and series circuit. Means like this head say, ask, find the total resistance in these circuits below. Circuits below. As you see here, we have the question number 1 and the question number 3. That question number 1 and question number 3, they give us the direction, and you can solve from that question. First, for example, the first one is the number 1 question, means there is only two resistance. There is a resistance 1 and a resistance 2. Means you're supposed to find the total resistance of these circuits which have only two resistance. And the second question is, or let me read this resistance one. Is the first question. Their first resistance is 4 ohms and the second is 6 ohms, but in terms of parallel. So we have to use the formula of parallel, or means the formula of finding the total resistance in the parallel in order to find the total resistance of this circuit. Second question, as you see here, there is only how many? There is 1, 2, 3, 4. There is only 4 resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 resistance. Now from there, you're supposed to look here. If you look at these circuits, it contain only 2 this circuit, rule circuit, containing 2 circuits. The first one is the parallel, and this parallel is connected with what? Series. So you have to do this. The first resistance is 3 ohms, second is 4 ohms, and another is 6 ohms, and another one is what? 80 ohms. Find the total resistance. And another one is this one, means the question number 3. Means this question contains how many resistance? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Means now we have 8 resistance, 10 resistance, 6 resistance, and the 4 resistance. All of this one they ask you. So now you have to use these two formulas. That means the formula of how to find the total resistance in parallel and the total resistance in series to find the total resistance of this circuit. Thank you. After looking the questions on how to find the total resistance in parallel, let's now look about how to find it in series. In series also we have only 3 questions. We have only 3 questions as you see here. First one means the question number 4. Means we have only how many total resistance? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have only 4 resistance, so you're supposed to find the total resistance. The first resistance is 4 ohms, 6 ohms, 10 ohms, and 8 ohms. And from there we have now question number 5. From that question number 5, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 what? Resistance. Means the first one is 10 resistance, 12 resistance, 8 resistance, 6 resistance, and the 10 resistance. They ask you to find the total resistance. And normally now we have the last question for today. This is how to find the total resistance. The last question means 6. The 6th questions for today is this one. As you see, connecting the series here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. And they ask you to find the total resistance. 8 ohms, 7 ohms, 6 ohms, and 17 ohms. I wish you all the best and welcome, and God bless you. This is how, and that's the work which we done. This is the questions for the first one, 1 up to 3, and also this one's the question from number 4 up to 6. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. God bless you.